Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you a very powerful tool that can help your content writing, and this will help you in writing different prompts for different purposes like advertisements, articles and blogs, customer service, ebook, e-commerce, emails, letter, marketing, podcast, press release, research, reviews, rewriter, SEO, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be showing you few out of this. You can see we have different categories right here, and you can also come to all script. Right, you can see we have blog or article wizard, blog or article titles. We have the paragraph script, blog or article ideas, short blog. We have the conclusion script, Facebook ad, LinkedIn ad, Google ad, general advertisement. We have the app and SMS notifications, the social media content plan, the LinkedIn post, the Instagram caption, Instagram reels, Twitter tweets, Twitter series, and so many more. You can see the Pinterest pin titles, the Quora answers, the personal bio, long sales copy if you want to write sales copy for your website or for your products or services. Also short sales copy, opt-in pages, call to action, feature and benefit list, headlines, sub-headlines, product titles, company bio, guarantees, unique value proposition, FAQ generator, product description, Amazon product features, Amazon product titles, personal letter, business letter, cover letter, and so many. You can see it. I can go down the list right here. You can see it's so much. Even the song lyrics, you can see that right here. Song lyrics, tone changer, real estate listing, descriptions, PAS framework, review responder, and so many more. So I'm going to be using one as an example so you can see how this crazy tool actually works. And it has so many other features right here like script editor, images library, speech to text to speech, the translator, content search, prompt explorer, PDF viewer, humanizer, that is if you want to change a particular content to human form, like a human written content, and so on and so forth. So let me start with products. Okay, let me just start with long sales copy right here. So you can see what it's doing. You can actually use different categories of AI for the responses, but what it's going to do for you is to generate your prompt. So once it generates your prompt right here, you just click on copy and put it in whatsoever AI you want to use, and you can see we have bookmarks of different AIs that you can make use of, like ChatGPT right here. You can see I just need to click on this plus and need to click on new chat or login. You can see the Bing copilots, the UChat, Gemini, Cloud, Mistral chat, the Meta AI, which is the one I am on right now. You can see Meta AI, Perplexity AI, Experimental AI, DAO images, free AI chatbots, and so much more. So I'm going to remain with this Meta AI right here. So let me just input what I want so that it can help me to generate a prompt that is perfect for whatever I want to write, which is the long sales copy I want to write. So number one, it says what is the product or service being sold. Let me say, for example, online course. So this also works for digital, physical and digital products, or any product at all. So what is the target audience? Okay, I want my target audience to be something like digital marketers, and I can have more than that. I can put comma and maybe freelancers, and so many more. So the third, number three, what are the top three benefits of the product or services? Okay, let me just say the product is going to teach them how to let me say improve digital marketing skills, comma, let me put something like social media ads, email marketing marketing experts. Okay, what is the unique selling proposition right here? So you can see they are going to give you example as well. They said example is step-by-step guidance from industry experts. So I can actually come up with my own. So you can see that this one I'm just drafting it from my head. So if you want to do your own, you make sure that you have something written down or maybe typed on Google Docs or something, so that it's going to be much easier for you. So let me just do this for the purpose of this video. Step by step video on digital on how to be an expert digital marketer. Okay, so the tone of voice, casual, confidence, creative. So let me just go with creative. I love using creative a lot, and there are a lot of tones right here depending on your own preference, right? So the next thing I just need to do is to click on generate prompt. So you can see it has generated a prompt for me, a well and a perfect prompt for the inputs that I've given it. So let me just click on copy, and I'll just come to my AI right here, paste it and click on enter. You can see, so instead of me just stressing myself and wasting my time typing and trying to find a way for the AI to understand me and create something for me, I don't need to do that. You can see I just need to input the major things that I hear, you understand, and it's going to generate the perfect prompts for me. You can see write the long form sales copy for so, and it's able to generate that for me. You can see the meta AI, unlock the secret of data marketing success. Are you tired of feeling like a small fish in a vast ocean? Because I put creative, don't forget, you can see it, my tone of voice is to be creative, so that is why it is creating something very, very creative for me right here. Do you dream of standing out from the crowd and making a real impact online? Look no further, blah blah blah. It gave me a long sales copy for a long form sales copy for my input. You understand? So if you want to, and once you are done, you just copy what you have and just use it and maybe customize it or something. So you can also do short sales copy. You can see you can scroll to Twitter tweets if that is what you want to generate, or you can even go back to where you can find all the scripts, right? So let me say, for example, let me try the blog or article wizard. Yeah, this is the blog or article wizard right here. So the question here is what is the main topic? So you can see I can use ChatGPT also, and I can also use the Meta AI and different one, maybe Gemini, Perplexity AI or so, right? So let me just follow what it asks me to do. So what is the main topic or niche? So let me say the main topic for the blog, you understand, for the blog post I want to write, you understand. So that is what I'm going to type right here. Let me say, for example, they've given an example, and let me use their example: social media marketing, right? So how many keywords would you like to generate? You can see maybe 20 keywords, maybe more than or maybe less than. You can post that yourself. So high search volume, that is what type of keywords are you looking for? High search volume, low competitor, balanced, right? So let me just leave it to high search volume. You understand? You should be the one to customize what you want. So let me generate the prompt for that. Then copy is going to start taking me to the second phase of the prompt. So let me first tell my ChatGPT to answer this question. So let us wait and watch the magic that is going to happen. So you see, I'm going to create a perfect blog post just by inputting what I want, and it's going to generate the best prompts for me, or the perfect prompts for me for it. So you can see it's already generating what's it called, it's already generating the keywords for me. And you can see the monthly search volume for the keyword, the CPC, that is cost per click, the hard competition and the organic competition right here. So let me just start copying the keywords and start pasting on the second inputs that it has provided right here. So what keywords do you want to rank for? So social media marketing, comma, social media strategy, I copy that, comma, Instagram marketing, yeah, comma, Facebook advertisement or Facebook advertising or something, yeah, comma, Twitter marketing, I copy that, comma, LinkedIn marketing. I'm going to stop here for the purpose of this video, so it won't be too long. So my target audience, this is actually optional, but I'm just going to put digital marketer, digital marketing expert, something like that, or digital marketer, anyone. So you can even generate a prompt for that one as well, so if you like. So how many titles to generate, right? 10, 20, you can customize whatever you want. So I'm going to leave it as 10. Tone of voice as well. So let me just put should I use creative again? So let me just put professional, then generate and next page. So it has generated another prompt for me. You can see for the step 2 it has gone to step 3. So I'll first generate what I have for the step 2 before going to step 3, because it is any answer that it gives me that I'm going to put into the next step, right? So you can see certainly here are 10 creative and captivating blog or article titles tailored for digital marketers, unlocking success, mastering the art of blah blah blah. So I'm just going to select one of these. So let me just select this first one. Yeah, let me select this first one. You can see it's still loading. It's going to reach 10 before it stops. And let me paste it. How many sections per outline? 5. Let me just put 3. How many outlines to generate? 3. Okay, yeah. Tone of voice: excited, professional, encouraging, funny, dramatic, sarcastic, engaging. So let me just go with engaging. So it has generated another prompt for me, so which I'm going to also input right here. And let us wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so you can see that I'm on the 4th step, which is the finish step, where I'm going to input whatever I asked it to input for me. And you can see, so I can select any outline from here. I have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I have outline 1. So I'm going to input that right here in each section that we have here, right? So let me do that. 1. Okay. 2. Then 3. So those are the 3 that I selected. So you can increase your own if you like. So generate final prompt. So this is the final prompt. Yeah. So let me paste that. So you can see my title, the introduction for the blog post. You can see it. This is the first section that is writing right now, which is the crafting a comprehensive social media strategy. The second one is driving engagement with dynamic content, which is also going to write. So you can see that it's still loading. So it's still writing the first one. So once it's done writing the first one, you can see it has started writing the second section, and it's going to write the third section. It's going to write the summary and I guess the outro or something. Then you have your blog post, right? You have your blog post written step by step. You understand? Written step by step, and which is very, very tailored to what you actually want. And don't forget the tone of voice I use right here is excited, and you can change it to whatever you want. So you can see how powerful this tool is. And I can also decide not to use ChatGPT. I can use any other AI. I can use any other. You can see it's on conclusion already. Yeah, it's on conclusion. So let us wait for that to complete. Fantastic. So you can see it has written a very long blog post that is really engaging and mention the sections that we also use, and also the keywords that we used or that we mentioned in the step 1 of this place, if you can remember. So that is how powerful this tool is. You can see how powerful it is. You can even decide to do more things right here. You can see this one is blog or article titles. This is paragraph script. This is short blog article. So let me say I want to go under marketing. I can select by category. You can see everything under marketing: YouTube titles, YouTube scripts, YouTube hashtags, tags, YouTube description is going to generate the perfect prompt for you that you are supposed to even use on premium this thing, right? So you can see let me go to, okay, even the AIDA framework, and I believe you know what AIDA, which is the attention, interest, design, and action. So that is also going to help you with that. The product names, you can even generate startup ideas. You can find a niche from here: SEO, meta, title, even video sales letter, physical product review. And let me go to another category. You can see under video scripts. So here we can find video script for TikTok, video ideas, YouTube ideas, and so much more. Website copy. So you can see we have the paragraph scripts, we have the long sales copy, short sales copy, the opt-in pages, call to action, features or benefit list. We have the headlines, sub headlines, guarantees, company bio, unique value proposition, and FAQ. Even the emails, you can see the email subject line: product or service, blah 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 blah, cold outreach email, informational email, autoresponder series. It can generate everything for you. So this tool is actually very powerful, right? And other things that you can actually do, you can see it has where you can integrate API keys for speech to text. I'm going to blur the API keys out so that you don't use my own API key when you get the software. So you can see the text to speech. Even you can log in different websites from there directly. Even your WordPress, you can log in WordPress from there to integrate your contents and so on, right? You can see, you can also, I think I've shown you this already, text to speech and the like. So you can use the text to speech tools from here and so much more. So that is where I'm going to be stopping in this video, and I believe you should understand how this actually works. And if you want to get this software, make sure you click on the link that you are going to find around this YouTube video. So thank you very much. Bye.